so we're back. Got a spray can. We shook it quite a bit. It says 2 to 3 coats. Couple minutes apart. It says, let's see, what's the hold straight up 10 to 16 inches from surface and spray in a steady back and forth motion, just like the primer. So try and do this. I can see right here I got a little thick right there. I don't know if there's anything I can really do about that. I have a wet paper towel. I wonder if I could. Oh, I don't know if that helped. Maybe. Probably not. I might be doing more harm than good here, but I'm going to take out that thing there and try and do it more even. So I probably just created an imperfection just by doing that, but oh well, we're learning here, right? Be careful when you're spraying in one spot. You'll build up the paint and you'll make an imperfection. So I said it's like 2 to 3 coats a couple minutes apart, so we're gonna do another coat here in a couple minutes, so we'll be back.